Since the dawn of time, humanity has sought refuge from the relentless heat. We trace this journey from the natural chill of limestone caves, where water dripped through stalactites, to the simple rhythm of a bamboo fan on a weathered desk. From ancient cellars filled with ice and straw, to the clever use of wet linen on clay to dampen the warmth, our ancestors mastered the elements. Even the earliest Egyptian sketches and water-powered wheels were driven by one goal: the quest for a cool breeze. The true turning point arrived in 1902, within the buzzing corridors of a printing plant, where the first mechanical climate control was born. Behind the scenes of old textile mills, dense copper pipes and antique pressure gauges told a story of industrial struggle. Giant mechanical gears turned slowly through clouds of steam, as humanity watched a mountain of snow melt rapidly under the sun, demanding a new way to stay cool. The era of the first black and white window units marked the beginning of a domestic revolution. We watch as dusty, fragile copper fins transform into the shimmering, high-grade aluminum of today. As the shadows of the past dissolve, the brilliant neon lights of our modern factory floor flicker to life in a long, glowing sequence. A new age of precision manufacturing has officially begun. The modern cooling journey begins with the high-speed unrolling of shimmering aluminum foil. At lightning speed, a specialized press stamps out thousands of delicate fins, each perforated with absolute accuracy. Simultaneously, raw copper tubes are sliced into perfect U-shapes, ready to be gathered by robotic hands and placed into their precise assembly trays. This is the foundation of thermal transfer. In a display of perfect synchronization, an automated machine threads the copper tubes through thousands of aluminum layers. A specialized expansion process then bonds the metal together, ensuring a rock-solid seal. Using laser-guided precision, every joint is welded into a closed system, creating a vibrant network of energy. Each unit is then submerged in a chemical bath, stripped of all impurities to ensure absolute cleanliness. Every air conditioner needs a heart, the compressor. Forged in high-temperature molds, the steel housing meets its internal pistons and crankshaft through robotic surgeons. After a bath of specialized lubricant, the shell is sealed under extreme pressure. To guarantee a lifetime of silence, every heart is pushed to its limits, tested for vibration and stability at extreme speeds.
The heart is sealed. It must withstand years of high-pressure operation.
The indoor unit takes shape as high-strength resin is molded into a sleek, snow-white chassis. We watch as the cross-flow fan is nestled into place, followed by the integrated heat exchanger and its internal copper vanes. Every sensor is delicately threaded into the gaps, ensuring the machine can feel and respond to the slightest change in temperature. The digital brain, or PCB, is installed within its protective housing, connecting a nervous system of colorful wires to the fan motor. Robots then install ultra-fine filtration systems to capture the smallest dust particles. Finally, the air swing blades are fitted to the base, completing the assembly of the unit that will deliver comfort directly to your living space. The outdoor unit is built to endure. Steel sheets are stamped with ventilation slats and coated in weather-resistant gray paint. The heavy-duty compressor is bolted to its foundation, followed by the installation of a massive wraparound condenser coil. Every component is anchored securely, ensuring the machine remains stable, even in the harshest outdoor conditions. Automated welders fuse the copper arteries together under a protective gas shield, while high-powered fans are integrated to drive heat away. Robots install the electrical capacitors and overload protection systems with surgical care. Finally, the four-way reversing valve is fitted, allowing our dual-cycle units to provide both cooling in summer and warmth in winter.
This valve allows the unit to switch between cooling and heating.
Precision is maintained until the very end. Vacuum systems purge every ounce of air from the lines, verified by high-accuracy digital gauges. Only then is the machine charged with high-efficiency refrigerant, like R32, measured to the exact gram. Ultra-sensitive sensors then hunt for the smallest microscopic leak at every weld to guarantee a lifetime of reliability. Live testing begins as the outdoor fan roars to life. We measure airflow speed and use infrared cameras to scan thermal signatures, ensuring maximum cooling efficiency. Every unit is checked for its decibel levels, ensuring it operates within our silent standards. Finally, a unique QR code is applied, providing total digital traceability for every unit we build.
Every unit is tracked, ensuring quality from our floor to your door.
The final layer of the shell is fitted, as robots snap the front panels into place with satisfying precision. We watch as the brand logo is applied, gleaming under the factory lights. Each machine undergoes a final visual inspection, checking the alignment of every seam. The front mask is opened and closed repeatedly by mechanical arms to ensure smooth operation for the end user. Inside the unit, we verify the secure placement of every wire and the tightness of every valve. Specialized cameras look for any loose components that might cause noise. Automated wrenches apply the final torque to the exterior casing, while air jets blow away any microscopic dust. This is the final stage of refining the physical product before it earns its birth certificate. Intelligence is tested one last time. We calibrate the remote control sensors and the automatic cleaning functions. Every LED on the display is lit to check for clarity and color accuracy. High voltage insulation tests ensure the machine is safe for any home. We watch as the digital interface pulses, confirming that the brain and the body are working in perfect harmony. To ensure longevity, units are subjected to extreme simulated environments. We test the swing blades against thousands of cycles and simulate high humidity conditions. The paint finish is checked for resistance to salt and corrosion. Every component, from the smallest screw to the largest fan blade, must prove it can withstand the test of time. The final inspection concludes with a human touch. Quality control experts perform random audits, checking the finish against a mirror shine. Once passed, the technical manuals and accessories are gathered. The machine is now ready, a completed masterpiece of engineering, ready to bring comfort to a world that never stops moving.
Every unit carries our promise of quality.
Protection is our final priority. Every unit is shrink-wrapped and nestled into a fortress of high-density foam within its sturdy carton. In our smart warehouse, autonomous AGVs move with silent precision, stacking pallets for their journey across the globe. As the heavy container doors swing shut, our promise of comfort begins its voyage to your doorstep. With the simple touch of a button, the transformation is complete. The LED flickers to life, the louvers open, and a silent breeze begins to stir. We see the perfection in every drop of condensation and every flutter of a silk ribbon. This is more than technology. It is a commitment to a greener world, elevating your lifestyle 1 degree at a time.